지기창 아망에는 우미치야 가맹이 다행이다. 지기도 다행이가 그냥도 안 하고.
After the weather is changing, they are just to
기타는 플러스냐 봐도 저도 가장 안 좋게 뭐가 딱도마 됐다고 아주 또 차이나 매칭이라고 아시나 딱나로.
he knows there are very much fish around here, halibuts and other fishes. No factories. If there are factories, there have chance to have a work.
Yeah.
Most of them.
So how do you get there?
Yeah.
What are the steps?
Takwa kana eltena pa kana chuni.
Takwa tamantan yumi chuniri. Aman naman ang tawa takwa arat sumakadi ko na kamiyuri tamani mala ipuchancha yuri ta tamantan yumi eltawang.
The makers around yes.
That's good.
Abakurao yaki sabay. Takisya tihitiyan ta amakuriku min tamantan
This question about the fishermen, as she says.
Yeah.
And there is only one factory here in East Greenland. It is in Greenland. It's long way. If you have a ton or 2 ton of fish with a boat, it takes a long time to go to sell out.
Do all of the children, the 20 children in the village, speak East Greenlandic at home?
Yes, they do.
Good.
Only in the school they have a chance to have experience with Greenlandic, West Greenlandic language in the school.
There Vinci, Boski, Yuti, Piano to tackle Ertapa.
It is a very I don't know how to say it.
ipinnatorangila taamaani charnera taannaina sortu tui iwi traginnilerpu mani maawatigitarpalat suurna suli santartuligalorpinnorpiluan aningasukua taama taakkuattiaartarpaayaartassili
the only he can just you are too long away. But he don't what do you say? He thinks you are out there, but it will be better if you are around here.
Right.